Hey guys, Ryan here at MetalWorks today. Just wanted to go over an upcoming project that we have, this 60 Cadillac Eldorado. Going on a Roadster Shop fast track chassis with a GM Performance LS3 Connect and Cruise package. Fast track differs a little bit from a spec. They run a C7, C6 Corvette front spindle. This one has the upgraded Fox RSV coilovers on it, single adjustable. Stainless brake line kit. We'll be running a Wilwood brake package with the electronic parking brake on this car. Cross member on these can accommodate a 3-inch exhaust if you so choose to run a exhaust that large. Just a very solid package that will yield a very good driving, good handling car.